Good morning. By the way, I'm Jason Sweeting, and everybody calls me Jay the Trader. I live by two words. They are grow and serve. I think it's my responsibility to get better at everything that I do every day. You know what I'm saying? Like there's an unrelenting desire for me to get better. I know that I'll never be perfect. I know that that doesn't exist, but I'm going to go after it every day. I have a tip that I want to share with you guys about trading. Typically, this is about wisdom, but man, I have a tip that you guys should really know. The tip that I use while trading the markets is I wait for the candle to close. I just wait for the candle to close. Candles, by their nature, lie. They go up and down and all around. You don't know where they're going to stop. Nobody knows where they're going to stop. But what you can know, what seriously you can know is once it closes, it can move no more. Every candle that has already been printed is closed for the eternity of time. Like the eternity. There is no more moving the candle, which means that candle is the truth now. What happened on the 12 o'clock candle last year, this very same day, that candle's done. It can't move anymore. Because of that, that means that a closed candle is the ultimate truth about desire. Whose desire? The buyers and the sellers in the market. If they're in the market and they have a desire, the desire is being expressed through the candle. You dig what I'm saying? So this tip is so important to me, and I'm going to show you guys how it's going. Let me see if I can open up a chart here. Let's try and see if I can just open up any old raggedy chart. Let's see. Open. All right. Let's see if I can find a good chart. By the way, the platform that I'm using is called Ninja Trader, and you could use it anytime. Okay, so check it out. These candles right here that you see up and down, up and down. Okay, you see these candles? These candles are now closed. There's only one candle on this chart that's open, okay? I'm going to tell you what this is. This is the S&P 500 futures, the June contract from this year, and this is a 1,440-minute chart. Well, that's just one day, okay? Because there are 1,440 minutes in a day, all right? So all these candles were once moving around, okay? But then they stopped. Now we're on this candle. This is today, all right? I'll prove it to you. Let's put the data box in the way, okay? And then I'm going to hover over the candle. Notice what it says. It says 423, that's today, 1700 because the candle is called by the hour it closes. So it'll be closed when 1700 shows up. It tells you the open, the high, the low, and the close. So that's today. However, we can see that this candle is still moving. It won't stop moving until the day is over. Okay? Now, once it stops moving, it will never move again. In 100 years, they'll come back and they'll say, oh, what happened on April the 2nd in the market 2024? And they'll have to look at this candle just as I'm looking at it right now. What that means is that it's so important to let the candles do whatever they want to do. They can go up, they can go down, they can go all around. The question is always going to be, where can they close? Because once a candle closes, the truth about the candle has been said. It's so important. Like if I had any tip or wisdom for you today, it would be let the candle close. Just let it close. Once it closes, you'll know the truth about it. And with that truth, you can react to the market. Okay, you'll know honestly which direction things want to go in. You'll know honestly what can happen because of the candle. If there's any tip that I could give you today about the markets, it's simple. It's let the candle close before you make a decision on what to do with the candle. All right, just let it close. I do this every day. Let me see if I can do it for you right now. When I'm in the market, I can see what has happened because of a closure, and that allows me to take advantage of the market. So even right now, say for example, if I do this, order filled, and I sell the market, because of how the candles have moved or closed and what information they are giving me, order submitted, I can make choices about what to do. I can make definite choices about how, when, and where to get in order to profit however I desire. You see, it doesn't really take a long time to get into the money. And of course, this is a small amount of money, but it's just an example. You can easily see what the candles are doing once you know how they close. They can, when they're open, they can shake all around, go up, go down, go crazy. But once they close, they have to tell you the truth. They literally have to tell you the truth. And it's very easy to just pick up money, pick up $85, pick up $100, pick up the money as they print it for you, because that's all the market really wants to do. The market just wants to print money for you every day. It wants to give you money. And the goal is simple. Just lean over and pick it up from where they honestly tell you that they are giving it to you. So the most honest way to pick up the money is by letting the candle close. Everybody, if you with me on this, close, type close. Let it close. You can get into the market, out of the market at any point in time, as long as you can read what the candles have the capability of doing. And they don't tell you their capability until they close. Yeah, it's when they close that you see what their full capability is. It's very, very simple to see. You can just sit right there every day and make money off the candles every day. No worries, no stress. They're going to tell you what they want to do, and all you have to do is do it with them. They'll tell you, hey, we want to go down. Hey, we want to go up. Hey, we're tired. Hey, we're excited. That's what the candles will tell you. Hey, we can't go over there. Hey, we got to go over here. Hey, we can't go down there. Hey, we must go up there. Hey, we forgot something around there. The candles are always telling you this. And in order to listen to them correctly, what you have to do is wait for them to close. You have to wait for the candle to close. It's so important. It's one of the biggest tips that I share in all of my trading. I love every part of a candle. I love its high, soaring, up in the sky. I love its low, digging deeply down into the bottom. You know what I'm saying? I love it's open because, hey, we can't get a candle moving unless at some point it literally opens up. You can't get it to move unless you do that. But man, my favorite thing is the candles close, because that's when all is settled about the candle and nothing more can be spoken of or said. Nothing at all. Nothing can be said any further about the candle upon its closing. That's the beauty of the candles. Once they close, they must tell the truth. And the truth comes at the close. So do me a favor today and every day, wait for the candle to close. Just wait for it to close. Once it closes, there is nothing anybody can do. Nothing anyone can say. The candle is done. For eternity, it cannot move. And what the buyers and what the sellers were trying to accomplish during that candle has been done. All right, that's my tip for today. Wait for the candle to close.